In this video, I'm going to be giving you 80 of our best cruise tips in rapid fire fashion. That's coming up. Alright, 80 of our best cruise tips. And if you're like me, sometimes you like information fast, you like it in a hurry. So in this video, instead of giving all the extended information about the tips, we are just going to give it to you quick. If you want more information, just go to our channel and check out our other tips videos. We've got a lot more information for you there. But hey, if you're with us for the first time here on the Summit Push, my name is Jason. My wife Kelly and I, we're all about helping you to have the best travel experience possible. And beginning of January of 2020, we are going to be taking you on every single Carnival cruise ship, and we're going to do that in a period of 48 months. So if you love cruising, consider subscribing. All right, let's get right into those cruise tips. Number one, consider getting a passport. It's not required, but there's definitely some benefits to having one. Number two, if you're driving, consider arriving the night before and staying at a hotel that has a park and cruise package. You'll save some money. Number three, familiarize yourself with the cruise line's prohibited items. There are some things on there that may surprise you, and you don't want to have some of the items that you have end up getting thrown away. Number four, pre-book the things that you know you're going to want. The bottom line is you will save money when you pre-book. Number five, use the do not disturb sign when you do not want anyone to come in the room. Otherwise, you may get surprised by the housekeeping. Number six, make sure you keep all of your travel documents in your carry-on for that boarding process. Number seven, notify your bank and your credit cards about the fact that you're going to be out of the country. Otherwise, you may find that they get shut off. Number eight, do not touch the food on the buffet with your bare hands. It is a huge party foul and it's just really gross. Number nine, arrive early at shows in order to get a good seat. Number 10, do not overplan. Build in some time just to be casual and times to rest. Otherwise, you're just going to be worn out and you'll need a vacation from your vacation. Number 11, leave sufficient travel time on both ends of your cruise. Otherwise, you may hit time crunches. It's just going to make things stressful. Number 12, drop off your luggage before you park. You get that out of the way and you're able just to get on board and begin enjoying the cruise. Number 13, take a picture of the shuttle bus for the parking garage or parking lot that you're using. By the time you get back from your cruise, you may have forgot where you parked and who you parked with. Number 14, download the free app for your cruise line. A lot of benefits there. Number 15, you don't have to pack shampoo or body wash. You can pack your favorites if you want, but just know that those are provided. Number 16, ensure you have all of your medications in your carry-on. If you need access to them, make sure it's in your carry-on. Number 17, be sure that you label all of your medications so that it's clearly visible what they are. That way you won't have any trouble with security when you go through. Number 18, make sure that you bring cash. You're going to need that maybe to tip the shuttle buses from the parking garages, for the luggage handlers, stuff like that. Always have a little cash with you. Number 19, familiarize yourself with what is included in the cruise. Several things are not, and you don't want to blow up the cost unnecessarily. Number 20, make sure you put your cell phone in airplane mode. You don't want to get all those roaming charges. Number 21, make sure you change your watch time to ship time. One place you do not want to be off on your time is when you go to a cruise port. Ship time is everything. Number 22, don't over tip. You can tip as much as you want to, but understand that tips are built in already when purchasing several items. Number 23, bring a water bottle. You can fill that bad boy up and you'll be glad that you did. Number 24, consider bringing a lanyard. Everything you do on the cruise ship is with your cruise sell and sign card, so it helps a lot to have that lanyard. We have a cruise nice to have list down in the description, so if you need one, you can get one there. Number 25, you don't need to bring a hair dryer. You can if you want to, if you've got your favorite one, but there will be one in your cruise room most likely. Number 26, bring a cell phone protector. When you're on a cruise ship, a lot of things that you're going to end up doing is going to be around water. You don't want to get that cell phone wet. Again, we have one of those in our cruise nice to haves list. Number 27, bring a USB charging port. You're going to have limited outlets, so that thing will come in very handy for you to keep all of your devices charged. Number 28, consider getting the text plan on your cruise line app. That way, if you're with a larger group of individuals or you've got several people in your family, that way you can communicate with one another while you're on this large cruise ship and you can link up and know where one another is at. Number 29, don't pack beach towels. Again, those will be provided by the cruise line. Number 30, it is super nice to have a portable day pack. When you go onto the ports and stuff like that, you're gonna have items that you're gonna wanna keep with you, like your beach towel, so having that portable day pack will be very handy. Number 31, when you're boarding the ship on day one, make sure you have your camera or cell phone on your person or in your carry-on. You're gonna wanna be snapping pictures, but you're not gonna see your luggage for a while. Number 32, bring thank you cards. You don't have to do that, but it gives you the ability to write nice thank you notes to your waiters, waitresses, your room stewards, stuff like that. Number 33, check out your ship's daily newsletter. Let you know all the cool stuff that's going on your cruise ship. Number 34, if you want to be poolside on sea days, know that you need to get those seats early. It's going to fill up quick. Number 35, do not pack loads of pool items. The pools on cruise ships are relatively small. You're just not gonna have space for that. Number 36, get all the foods you want to on the cruise ship. If you want more, if you wanna get something different, do it. They're all about that. Number 37, wash your hands often and consider bringing hand sanitizer. There's a lot of germs floating around that cruise ship. I'm a bit of a germaphobe, but hey, it's just a good idea. Number 38, know that a washer and dryer is available on the cruise ship. So if you want to, you can pack less and do a little laundry. Number 39, make digital and printed copies of your passport and other important documents. You can keep them in the ship safe that's in your room. Number 40, bring your seasick meds if you think they may be needed. You can also get the bands, but bring whatever option you choose. Number 41, bring sunscreen. Very important. Number 42, right along with that one, make sure that you have some sunscreen in your carry-on on day one. You may want to go poolside. You're going to be up on the deck. You don't want to get burned up on day one. Number 43, check your shipboard account for errors. They do make mistakes, so check it out. If you have questions, take it down to customer service and have them take a look at it for you. Number 44, if you miss a cruise line presentation that you're wanting to attend but didn't get to see it, know that most of the time they record those and they'll be available on the cruises channel on your TV. Number 45, don't pack a lot of high value items. It may just make you a target. Number 46, consider bringing something to mark your door for easy identification. Number 47, keep high value and fragile items in your carry-on when you're in the boarding process. Number 48, bring comfortable walking shoes. Number 49, don't throw anything off the ship. Number 50, know that gratuities will be added if you do not prepay them. Number 51, know that Wi-Fi is not free and it's often not very fast either. Number 52, do not pack lots of food. There's already a lot of it on the ship. Number 53, know that the spa often runs specials on port days. Number 54, know that specialty dining is often cheaper on the very first night. Number 55, check to see if the cruise price has been reduced prior to your sailing. Many times it may be reduced and you can get your price adjusted. Number 56, do not bring an iron. Number 57, check your cruise line's beverage policy. When you're going on board, you will notice that many times people bring items that get confiscated. Number 58, use travel credit card rewards. We have a link down in the description with some of our favorites. We save so much money by doing that. Number 59, consider getting travel insurance. Number 60, choose a parking location that is away from the cruise terminal. It's cheaper. Number 61, consider booking an inside cabin. It's cheaper too. Number 62, check internet while you're at a port. You can get free Wi-Fi there and save the money of getting Wi-Fi on the ship. Number 63, use discounted gift cards for your cruise line. You can save 10% or more by using that method. Number 64, cruise during non-peak times. Number 65, wait for sales when buying items on the cruise ship. Generally they will have sales and you can get that item cheaper if you just wait for the sale. Number 66, if you forget an important item, buy it at the port and not on the cruise ship. Generally you're going to find it a lot cheaper. Number 67, if you want to try a specialty dining restaurant, consider going there for lunch. A lot of times there's more availability and you can get it cheaper. Number 68, eat before getting off the ship when you're at a port. You got a full belly, you won't spend as much out there buying food. Number 69, consider booking your own excursions. Number 70, if you want to go swimming on day one, make sure you pack your swimming gear in your carry-on. You may not see your luggage for a while. Number 71, don't plan excursions at every port if it's a port-heavy cruise. Otherwise, you're just going to get wore out. Number 72, use your cruise ship's loyalty program. Over time, you'll get some nice little perks. Number 73, make sure you have your basic hygiene items in your carry-on when you're coming on board day one. Again, you may need those before you see your luggage. Number 74, consider bringing a lightweight jacket. Kelly is always cold at some point on the cruise ship. Doesn't matter what time of year we go, the lady gets cold. Number 75, consider bringing a minor first aid kit. Number 76, do not bring a regular power strip. You may need more outlets in your room. They don't have a whole lot of outlets, but you can't use a regular one. You have to have a non-surge protected one. We have one of those in our cruise nice to have list down in the description as well. Number 77, bring beach towel clips. There's a lot of wind up on that deck and your beach towel might be gone, so those are good to have. Again, that's in the cruise nice to haves. Number 78, make sure you get back to the cruise ship early on port days. That's one time you don't want to be late. Number 79, the cruise line we've been going around taking a lot of pictures throughout the cruise. If you don't want more photos, just tell the photographer no. And number 80, it's a good idea to bring a rain jacket or a poncho. All right, that was the quick, fast, and the furious. Be sure that you subscribe and hit that bell. God bless, and thanks for watching.